This is how to place a trial batch for the dedicated editor program. So from here, I'll go to New Order and then Photo Editing. This takes you to the photo editing uploader. Here you can type in the address or select an existing address. Hover on Distributed Editing and select Dedicated Editor Test. If you don't see this option, please reach out to sales@photoup.net. Select your desired shift that you would like your editor to work on. After that, it's uploading like normal. We do want you to limit this batch to under 10 images or less. From there, the batch will be assigned to 3 different editors who are interested in becoming your dedicated editor. Based on the results you get back, you can select the editor that you would like to work with. If you have any questions about this program or this process, please reach out to us by clicking on the chat bubble on the bottom right-hand corner of the page, or sending us an email to sales@photoup.net.